In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest with voice only in Discord. If you want someone to join a conversation without giving them full access to your server, this is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keep it simple, and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Discord and navigating to the voice channel on your server where you want the conversation to happen. Make sure you're selecting the exact voice channel, since the invite you create will point guests there. It helps to be in the channel yourself so you can confirm audio settings and see who joins in real time. At the top of the channel or near the member list, look for the invite to voice option and click it. This opens the invitation panel, which is where you'll configure how the invite behaves. If you don't see the option, you may need the right permissions for the channel or the server. In the invite panel, choose Edit Invite Link. This is important because the default invite typically grants standard access. Editing the link lets you tailor it for a guest experience, which limits what the person can do and what they can see. Turn on Invite a Guest. With this toggled on, your invite will allow voice-only participation. That means your guest can join the conversation without becoming a full server member and without browsing other channels. It's a safer, cleaner way to bring someone in for a single call, a quick interview, or a support session. Next, select Generate a New Link. This refreshes the invite so it reflects the guest setting you just enabled. Think of this as locking in your configuration. Some servers also apply time limits or use counts to these links, which helps keep access tight. Once the link is generated, click Copy. You can now share the link with your guests through a direct message or any secure communication method your team uses. Let them know which device works best and remind them to allow microphone permissions when prompted. If your guest is new to Discord, suggest they test their mic before joining to avoid delays. Alternatively, you can invite people who are already members of your server directly from the server members view. This method is great for pulling existing members into the voice channel, while the guest link is the best choice for people outside your server. That's it. You've created a voice-only guest invite, kept your server secure, and made it easy for someone to join the conversation without extra clutter.